This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Chrome is current because updates fix policy issues and extensions. Once done, sign in or use an account with admin rights. This prevents permission errors. Now open Chrome, click the three-dot menu, and open Settings. This places you at the controls you need. You do this first so later steps change effective policies rather than temporary states, which makes site unblocking reliable and persistent across sessions. Next, disable the specific blocking feature causing the issue. First, adjust Chrome's security to standard protection if strict mode blocks content. This reduces false positives. Then inspect extensions, disable one at a time to identify a culprit, and remove any parental control or ad blocker that targets your site. After that, open site settings for the target domain and allow pop-ups, JavaScript, and cookies so the site functions correctly. These steps isolate the block and restore normal behavior. Finally, perform advanced fixes to complete the process. Clear the site's cache and cookies, then reload. This removes stale data that can keep a block in place. If problems persist, check your system host's file and DNS settings, flush DNS so changes propagate. Make sure to try incognito or a different Chrome profile to rule out profile-level blocks, and if necessary reset Chrome settings to defaults. This undoes hidden configuration. If it still fails, one key troubleshooting tip. Test in another browser to confirm whether the block is system-wide or Chrome-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.